Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to make a cutscene in Roblox Studio. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. Creating a cutscene in Roblox Studio involves using a combination of scripting, animations, and camera manipulation to create a sequence of events that plays out like a cinematic scene. So here's a step-by-step guide to help you make a basic cutscene in Roblox Studio. So first of all, plan the cutscene. Before you start, have a clear plan for your cutscene. Know the events, camera angles, animations, and positions of characters or objects involved in the cutscene. Create a new script. In the Explorer window, right-click the Workspace and select Script to create a new script. This script will control the cutscene. Then, import animations, so this is an optional action. If your cutscene requires character animations, import them into Roblox Studio. You can use the animation editor to create custom animations or import animations from the Roblox library. Now script the cutscene. Inside the script you created, use Lua code to control the cutscene. You can use wait, then open, and then close parenthesis functions to introduce delays and tween service to animate objects smoothly. Set up camera angles. To create different camera angles for each scene, use the current camera property to manipulate the camera's C frame. So next is to add animations. If your cutscene requires character animations, you can trigger them using the humanoid colon load animation, and then close parenthesis function, and then play the animation. Next, test the cutscene. Test your cutscene in Roblox Studio to ensure that it plays smoothly and as intended. And lastly, trigger the cutscene. Determine when and how the cutscene should start. You can trigger the cutscene through various methods, such as player interaction, reaching a specific point in the game, or pressing a button. By following these steps, you can create a basic cutscene in Roblox Studio. For more complex cutscenes, you can add additional camera movements, animations, sound effects, and UI elements. Be creative and experiment to achieve the desired cinematic effect for your game. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!